So I'm gonna go find beechwood, carve it, and then bring it back to the beach. That is a carving of mine! What? There we go. Okay. Cool. Look at that. I carved that like 10 years ago. Look at this beechwood. That's cool. Nice stuff today. So I'm trying to find some good wood. I think I need to find something that is gonna be easy to carry, and then I'm gonna have to come back with a saw because there's a ton of stuff here. Woohoo! Slippery when wet. Really cool old wood. Look at that though. I'm gonna have to take this chunk, get it to the car. It's gonna take a bit of work, so I have to put the camera down. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dude, that is epic. Holy. Okay, we're coming back for this. That is gonna be a video one day. Jeez. Okay. Holy, this is heavy. Oh. Oh shit, the camera. All right, let's go. Woo! Successful beechwood hunt, guys. That's sick. Okay. Oh, that was fun. That was a lot of work. What's up, everybody? Welcome to this week's episode of Beachwood Hunting. All right, let's go. Oh shit, I can't do that. That's a big ass semi truck. Oh yeah, I can do that. Let's go. Let's do it. Woo! Okay. Nice, seatbelts on. Okay, guys, so we got a really cool piece of beechwood, and welcome to Ryan Cook Carves. So I'm gonna do a beechwood carving. I'm gonna do a spirit face. I think this is a really, really funky piece of wood. There's so much more down there that is just like washed in, and that's the great thing about hunting is, you know, you get to find like the most crazy pieces because they've been beaten up by the water. They've been torn down the river, and as long as they haven't been in the ocean for too long, they won't be too hard to carve. So I'm gonna drive off the beaten path and try to find a place to carve this where no one will see me. And when I do that, I'm actually thinking I'm going to leave this. So I'm gonna go find beechwood, carve it, and then bring it back to the beach. We're here. And look at that eagle. Awesome. I don't know if you can see that, but so I quickly grabbed everything from the shop. We'll get set up. This is the log. Got it from the beach. Pretty cool piece, man. So I brought the Jenny. I got my jaw horse. I got some tools. I got power. And let's get this thing set up. I'm just gonna play with it. I mean, this is the nose, so maybe this is just a side profile view of the face.
Piece is done and I am headed back to the beach. Now, kind of the idea that I'm gonna leave it and just let it be, and hopefully people will come and find it and check it out and enjoy the piece for what it is. I've got a plan. I think I'm gonna do a series of them. I'm gonna do like one crazy one. And so look for that at Christmas time. But I think I'm gonna do one. I'm gonna find a place in the woods and I'm just gonna go crazy on it. So I brought it back to the beach. Here we go. Gonna lift this thing out and carry it over there. Oh, it's so big. And then I'll have to come back and get the screws, because I'm gonna put it in its forever place. Okay. It's gonna be hard to film and do because this thing is like 100 and some pounds. Oh my god. So yeah, I don't know, this is kind of cool. I don't know if this is, I don't know, I like it though. Something feels right. So look at how beautiful it is. This is a great place for it to live. Now we just have to find the place for it. Okay, back to where it was. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Hopefully the shot got it. So it's back. Now where am I gonna mount it? It's gotta go somewhere where people won't take it, but it can stay for a long time. Maybe down on the beach? Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, so I'm out on the water. Oh, this log's been here for a long time. So I'm just gonna mount it on the edge. And hopefully it'll stay. Woo! So slippery. Oh shoot, I'm not even filming. Okay. Whew, this is so tricky. So nice out here. Absolutely beautiful. Here we go. Oh, almost lost it.
This is crazy. Oh, there's a sculpture there. That's what that blue is. Cool. I'll have to show you guys. Couple of spirit faces together. That's crazy. Oh, that's cool. There's somebody else's art over there. Okay. Okay guys, that was way harder than I thought, but hopefully this will look cool. If you want to come and see this, you got to know where this is. Sick. Thanks for watching, guys, and check this out. It's like it's meant to be, because somebody else did some art here. Oh shoot, I carved here too. Crazy. So this is somebody's work, but I carved this. I carved this log, like, and somebody painted it so many years ago. That's so rad. Like crazy. That's insane. I didn't even mean to. I wonder if I carved the face. Oh, I did carve a face. That is a carving of mine. What? Oh, that's so random. That's so random. I swear to God, that's not even planned. That's crazy. I thought that was a garbage bag and I was trying to get rid of the garbage because it was ruining shots. That's so rad, man. Thanks for watching. My name's Ryan Cook. If you like this video, give it a like, share it, tell your friends. Thank you for watching my page, man, and everybody. Later. Come out and check out this beautiful scenery here in British Columbia, and hopefully that sculpture will be there. And when you see the blue, you know you're in the right area. That's so random. Let's go home.